Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and quick little tip here because some people, of course, there's always people telling me about their problems, the types of problems they have, and with just a little description, it's difficult to help out. Sometimes, if you tell me a blue screen and that's it, or several blue screens, well, I don't know what's happening because I don't see the error codes and I don't see exactly how and when it's happening and what you're doing. So it's very, very difficult at a distance without the knowledge of how the PC is installed and so on. But I wanted to mention one thing about the summertime. We've been having really hot weather, and in many parts of the world, it's actually hotter than ever. And this could be a problem for a lot of PCs. First, if you do live in a place where there's no air conditioning, make sure your computer is cooled down properly. On many PCs, if you right click on the start button and go into the task manager, not all, but a lot of PCs in the performance tab will give you temperatures of different parts of your computer. It could be, the temperature of your graphics GPU. On this machine, it doesn't, or it could be your CPU. Often your own manufacturer of your PC will have a tool that can give you an idea of the speed of the fans in the PC and the temperatures of the different parts, including even RAM memory, your SSD, your solid state drive. So this is important to monitor because in very high temperatures, it's not just you that's hot. Your PC is also hot. And your PC can crash if it overheats. And especially a CPU that overheats, often you'll see signs like your PC gets slower suddenly, isn't performing as well. And then you can have, blue screens. Graphics GPUs can give you blue screens if they overheat also. So on gaming laptops, it's something to check and to observe. Of course, CPU temperatures and all of that are important. So make sure that they are cooled off well. Make sure that the vents, everywhere you see, vents, you see a fan, you see something, make sure that is clean, that it doesn't have big dusts that are accumulating on it, because the dust will act as a kind of a shield. It will prevent the airflow from really going through the PC. And that needs to be carefully monitored, especially in high temperatures. Those that have air conditioning, it's less of a problem usually because temperatures in the room are cool. But make sure that you check all of that, clean your PC, use the tools that come from the different companies that make your PC that often will give you all of the ideas of how hot your system is becoming. And try to make sure it's cool enough. You can put a fan that will flow more air on the PC itself, things like that. And of course, the best would be air conditioning, but not everybody can afford, depending on where you are, air conditioning and also the high electricity prices that sometimes come with it. So make sure that you just take care of your PC, because in the summertime, there's a spike in PC failures, and it's often due to high temperatures. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.